SUNVIE transformer, perfect for your landscape lighting. Wiring couldn't be simpler. Just secure your main wire to terminal block and tighten down with a screwdriver. External sensor designed with twist lock connector. Rotate to securely attach to transformer. No looseness or poor contact. Pro tip: open the sensor's cover to ensure it can work properly. Say goodbye to wobbly screw hook mounts. Our revolutionary mounting plate system uses included anchors kits and metal plate for stable wall mounting. Fixed bracket and photocell sensor. Pro tips: ensure that the sensor is away from light sources to prevent interference with its normal operation. The intuitive operation panel lets you set easily. Just press the button, you can cycle through all modes. Let's break down each function. Always on mode. When on indicator is on, landscape lights will keep always on until you switch other mode. Dusk to dawn mode. When auto indicator is on, landscape lights will turn on at dusk and off at dawn automatically. Set it and you can forget it. Mother Nature handles your schedule. Want lights off before midnight? Our countdown mode can meet you. When 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, 10 hour indicator is on, landscape lights will turn on at dusk and off after countdown ends. Then, please watch SUNVIE's customer video show.